Installing macOS on an Apple laptop is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow the right steps to ensure a successful installation. Here's a general guide on how to install macOS on a Mac laptop. Before you begin, check compatibility. Make sure your Apple laptop is compatible with the version of macOS you want to install. Apple's website will have information about compatibility for each macOS version. Backup. Before installing macOS, it's essential to back up all your important data. This can be done using Time Machine or any other backup method you prefer. Steps to install macOS. Download macOS installer. Open the App Store on your Mac. Search for the macOS version you want to install, e.g., macOS Big Sur. Click on the appropriate macOS version in the search results. Click the Download button to start downloading